Welcome to the racing zone. I'm gonna have to take the AC system off to fit that fucker in. God damn it. Also got this new puddle forming under the car. It has never been this bad. This is the worst thing about this, listen. It's just a shitty gas. Playing a dangerous game. Dangerous game here. Oh, that explains why the bolt wouldn't thread in. All right, well, now that header's installed. Very close there to the starter, so, you know, hopefully we can get an exhaust pipe on there. It's that shitty ass gasket they sent with it. It's the one you want.